All right, guys, this is a quick video lesson on how to use the ThinkorSwim platform and also how to buy and sell shares of a stock that you wish to own. I'm going to simply use this as a demo. I am in my simulated trading option, and that's just so it doesn't mess up my investment on my real side. So once again, you will see my screen. It is in the simulation mode. But basically, I've been looking at Coca-Cola, and if I was to say I was wanting to own Coca-Cola today because I think that it's a good investment, I would go over to Coca-Cola's trade button here and type in the KO and hit enter for Coca-Cola. Now, you do have to know your stock's ticker symbols. Those are the symbols used for investing on within the market. Coca-Cola is KO, and if you look up here, this is where you will sell and buy your stocks, is the ask, and the bid is to sell them. Now, as I discussed in one of the other video lessons, that spread between 47.28 and 47.29, that 1 penny does go to the exchange for their commission fee. That's how they make their money. They use up all the trades and investments, and for every trade that goes through their system, they earn 1 penny. So anyways, I was going to buy 1 share. I would go ahead and hit the click on that 47.29, and over here is where you input how many units you want to buy, whether you want to buy 1 share, 10 shares, 100 shares, whatever the case may be. Over here you have your order types, and that is market, limit, stop, stop limit, trail stop limit, market on close, and limit on close. I only suggest you using these two, and highly suggest you actually use the limit. This locks in what you actually want to buy or sell your stock for. It won't give up to the market whatever the market value is at that current time. So to fully get every penny that you want out of your investment, I would choose limit. Over here you'll see day, good till cancel extended, and good till cancel extended hours. These two I recommend and highly suggest that you use good till cancel. The day, if you was to put in this order and it doesn't get filled or nothing happens to that, it will expire at the end of the day, and you'll have to come back tomorrow and do the same thing over again. Good till cancel will lock in that for I believe the next 6 months, and when the stock drops down to 47.29 or whatever the case may be, if you was buying or selling, it would lock that in and fill it when it does happen. So if it's 1 month away, 10 minutes away, whatever the case may be, it would assign that until it's actually canceled or filled. So I'm going to hit GTC, good till canceled. I want to buy 1 Coca-Cola share at 47.26. So I would knock that down a notch. And mid to natural, I would suggest you using natural because mid is the lower and natural is the higher of the two. And 47.26. When you're ready, you would hit confirm and send, and this brings you to the next screen. It does show you your commission fees and how much the total of your investment will be and how much it will deduct from your account, and your net lick up here, which net lick is your total portfolio value, cash on hand. So if you was to use buy 1,000 shares, it would deduct 1,000 shares worth from your net lick. So now that I'm ready, I'm going to hit send, and it should fill right away. And as you can see, it does say bought 1 Coca-Cola share at 47.26. Now, I will go to my monitor side, and I will select in my drop down where my Coca-Cola share is, and you can actually name these different areas on the types of strategies that you use or however you want to divide your stocks up. But for the case, for this whole purpose, I am just going to keep it here, and I'm going to sell back the Coca-Cola that I just bought, and I would right click it here, create closing order, and then sell 1 Coca-Cola at 47.26. I am going to keep that at the midpoint. Actually, I'm going to keep this at the midpoint, sorry, and at 47.27, hit confirm and send. And as you can see, it will deduct a credit, or it will give me a credit once that is filled. I'm just going to hit that, send, go back to the monitor, and as you can see, this shows you the market value at the stock right now. Here's the limit, what I'm selling it for, and it should fill at any time as soon as that hits 47.27 again. And it's probably not going to fill because we're in a down sell right now. It's dropped to 47.23. So if I was to come back up here and to make an adjustment, I would right click it, cancel and replace order, drop it down to natural or mid value, hit confirm and send again, hit send, and it sold for 47.27. All right, so I hope this answered how to fill orders, how to make investments in the ThinkorSwim platform, how to buy and sell stocks. All these other tabs, like I said, I will be teaching you in the upcoming videos. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, email me, go to the website, whatever the case may be. And if you want to be set up on the ThinkorSwim platform, send me over your email and we'll begin. I'll show you the basics on how to get set up and start investing today. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.